make it right. I don't chase no stock, it's just futures I like. What you know about that man, Jesse W? Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. Yeah, you know the name. Look at my wrist, this is just light. Count up some money and do it again, and do it again. Shorty, she knows she one of my kin. Back to the future, the only way I trade. Damn, it's a good day to get paid. Look at my wrist, look at my shoes, look at my neck, all of it blue. If I was you, I'd trade futures too. Me and Jesse making money moves. Like what you know about that man, Jesse W? Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. You know the name. Look at my wrist, this is just light. Count up some money and do it again, and do it again. Shorty, she knows she one of my kin. Back to the future, the only way I trade. Damn, it's a good day to get paid. Look at my wrist, look at my shoes, look at my neck, all of it blue. If I was you, I'd trade futures too. Me and Jesse making money moves. Like what you know about that man, Jesse W? Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. You know the name. Who'da thought a youngin' in the game like this? Lost so many times, I just had to resist. Lleva la bolsa como Jesse W's. Take me to the money, only futures I pursue. Looking at my screen, just lost 2 bands. Time to make it back, that's the master plan. Losing everything, had to make it right. I don't chase no stock, it's just futures I like. What you know about that man, Jesse W? Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. Yeah, you know the name. Look at my wrist, this is just light. Count up some money and do it again, and do it again. Shorty, she knows she one of my kin. Back to the future, the only way I trade. Damn, it's a good day to get paid. Look at my wrist, look at my shoes, look at my neck, all of it blue. If I was you, I'd trade futures too. Me and Jesse making money moves. Like what you know about that man, Jesse W? Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. You know the name. Look at my wrist, this is just light. Count up some money and do it again, and do it again. Shorty, she knows she one of my kin. Back to the future, the only way I trade. Damn, it's a good day to get paid. Look at my wrist, look at my shoes, look at my neck, all of it blue. If I was you, I'd trade futures too. Me and Jesse making money moves. Like what you know about that man, Jesse W? Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. You know the name. Who'da thought a youngin' in the game like this? Lost so many times, I just had to resist. Lleva la bolsa como Jesse W's. Take me to the money, only futures I pursue. Looking at my screen, just lost 2 bands. Time to make it back, that's the master plan. Losing everything, had to make it right. I don't chase no stock, it's just futures I like. What you know about that man, Jesse W? Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. Yeah, you know the name. Look at my wrist, this is just light. Count up some money and do it again, and do it again. Shorty, she knows she one of my kin. Back to the future, the only way I trade. Damn, it's a good day to get paid. Look at my wrist, look at my shoes, look at my neck, all of it blue. If I was you, I'd trade futures too. Me and Jesse making money moves. Like what you know about that man, Jesse W? Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. You know the name. Look at my wrist. This is just light. Count up some money and do it again and do it again. Shorty, she knows she one of my kin.
What's up, guys? Good afternoon. 2 minutes here to the Globex Open. What a crazy day it's been. Nice bounce back in the markets there. I think that's short-lived. I think we go lower. I want it to go lower, that's for sure. Let me get in over here and chat, see what's up, see who's in the house today. Yo, car just ain't right. Stacked Sniper. Yo, my Shadow, what's up? Little Aeromech, what's going on? What's going on, Carl? Good to see you guys in here today. Let's see what happens here when we open up. Banged out a great one. Overnight hold last night. Put out the orders, put it in the Discord, put out the orders, went to sleep, woke up in the morning, looked at the chart on my phone. On just futures, and I looked at it and I was like, I don't think I got a fill last night. I probably didn't get a fill. I was like, damn, I'm gonna be so upset I didn't get a fill. And sure enough, I did get a fill, and we had a nice winner there, over 200 and it was like 220 points or something like that. I got. All right, so there we are, opening up. Little quick push here. Not a bad. There's a little pivot right here, actually. We get over that, it could squeeze a little bit more, but that might hold a little bit of resistance here, at least for a minute. Might jump in there short, to be honest. Oh, we're gonna get stopped out. Yep. All right, we're gonna start squeezing. All right. Small little L, 143 bucks to start the evening off. How did I know to go short for so long? I mean, if I say it, I'll get in trouble. Like, the market makers will come for me. But just put on the trade, man. I look at the levels and say, okay, here's possible resistance, and I put on a sell order in front of that resistance. Put a buy order over it to cover my position on the stop loss, and I went about my evening. Woke up in the morning, I didn't know if I got filled or not. 10-hour long trade. It was a nice one. Pastor 300k eval. Nice. You have 2 questions. How many days will I get active? How many days will I get to activate? Oh, I don't know. I don't know now. New rules. I think you got 7 days, but I could be wrong. I don't know. On those new accounts, I have no idea. So I'd activate it, I mean, right away, to be honest. Risk management. Is it an end of day account? Start small, man. Yeah, honestly, I woke up and I looked at my phone and I said, I don't think I got a fill. I don't have my login for my phone for my MyFundedFutures Pro account. I don't have it. So I couldn't log in from my phone. I was like, I didn't get a fill. I was like, I don't think I got a fill. I was actually pretty disappointed. Came over here to my office, and you know, usually I pray and stuff beforehand, and I didn't. I was like, oh, let me go check. Logged in, and I was like, hey, there's a lot of money there. And I realized I had gotten a fill. I was like, all right, I'm gonna just take it right here. Whoop. Covered the position, 220 points, $4,400 something dollars. Made a few bucks more to end the afternoon. So over $5,000 on the day in that account. That account is up now over $10,000, just over $10,000. Wait, am I gonna get the short now? Or am I gonna just be getting chopped up into a million pieces and three strikes you're out type of rule stuff gonna happen here? Yo, Trader 007, what's up, man? Up, Carl, right there, answering 7 days for Apex. There you go. Old account, so your legacy account, then I don't think there's any rush. Nice. Carr says he passed 3 Apex accounts and 4 Lucid today. Damn, you did a lot of work today, my man. It was poppy out there. Until the end of the day. End of the day, you had that crazy big move. Come on, just film me so I can get back to break even at least. Yeah, we're up 38 bucks. Not even enough to put gas. But at least 1 for 2, green on the open at least. Sean, Tradeovate. It's all I've been using forever and ever. Tradeovate. I hope this thing logged me out of everything, man. Well, damn. Now we go way lower, don't we? Of course. They say I wouldn't do it like I won't. They say I couldn't do it and they feel. They say I wouldn't do it and I fall. They say I couldn't do it and I did. I'm a champion. Pretty much, Carl. They say I wouldn't do it like I won't. They say I couldn't do it and they feel. They say I wouldn't do it and I fall. They say I couldn't do it and I did. Did you guys see my new video that I dropped today with my lifetime numbers at Apex? Always. What the freaking hell, man? Oh, guess that's not gonna work today. Yeah, check it out, Carl. Yep, just ain't right. That's the one. Penguin, sounds like a plan. See here. Trammy says, yes, watched it. You inspired me to work with Apex slow and steady. Slow and steady wins the race. Base hits win games. Brick by brick builds buildings. I ran out of those sayings. Nice car. All right, so 1 for 2. 8 minutes in. Things are really slow now. I feel like I wish we would bounce more. What the freaking hell is this computer asking me for every single password known to man? I don't remember all these passwords. Oh, God. I know. Get out. I'm thinking 24,800 would be the next level for like an easy short. Easy. Like, 24,700 is like the first level. The 24,800 would really be the one. It's like, in my opinion. Let's take a look at the daily. Yeah, 24,800 would definitely be the level. So it makes me wonder, because it's kind of almost obvious whether or not it'll get sold off before it gets there. So like 24,700, 24,750. So like, for example, identify that level. I would probably put an order to get short 24,780, and then I'll put a stop like 24,830. Right, and I'm looking for multiple 100 points down from there. That's what I did last night. Last night I was risking 45 points, and I made 220 points. I don't think that we get there overnight, though.
My wrist. I've been balling since a young, you know I had to stack my chips. Bending corners, 12 personas, know we had to take them risks. Want to spot and take a shot, don't give a fuck about no miss.
Ideally, 24,700 would be the zone. Coincides really good with this level in the SPY that we found resistance at today. I'm not yep, that's it. Yeah, I like that. I like that level more. So if 24,700 doesn't hold resistance, the next level to watch is 27,800. Sorry, 25,000. 24,800. If 24,700 doesn't hold resistance, 24,800 would be the next level to watch. Yo, Rhino, what's up? Yeah, I think those two levels are pretty obvious shorts. Nice, Carl. I am looking short. I think this market sells off more. Doesn't have to happen tomorrow. But as long as oil, right, as long as crude is up here in the 90s, the 100, and it's like, if we roll into April and we're there, get ready. Was I ever? Yes, I was. Many, many years ago. Yo, Jarius, what's up, my man? The market, the SPY's high is 697-ish in change. I think that's the high of the year. And the only way we get another rally out of this is if oil gets back to like 70 something dollars. That means this war has to end rather quickly. Like right now, I'm looking for another drop into the low 650s, which we haven't gotten. We've been in the mid 650s. I'm looking for a drop into the low 650s. If oil continues to be stupid and this war continues to drag on and the straits of Hamas can't be opened, you know, I would not be surprised that we recession and then we end up sometime this year or early next year. We end up down here. Now remember, when you hear that we are in a recession on the news, more than likely we've already bottomed. So like the stock market bottoms before the recession is officially announced. Like, I mean, look, if you ask me what I want that. I want that. I'm a better bear than bull. I made a ton of money last night. I'll make, you know, if we dump, if this market dumps 20%, 30%, oh my God. Between the opportunities of buying in the long-term portfolios, so the retirement accounts, the taxable portfolios, everything, plus the money making actively trading the dump, oh my God. I caught the overnight dump, and then this afternoon, I didn't trade it very well, but I caught, you know, I played this. I played that. I only made another $700 and change on it, but hey, put me up over 5,000 in a day in that account. Like for me, it's really difficult to go after something tonight. I might put out an order at 24,700 to get short. I'd really prefer 27,800. Like I'd really prefer this level here. But I don't think we're gonna get there. Thing is, if I were to put out, I don't know if I'm gonna put out any orders tonight like I did last night. Like last night was a very obvious setup. It was just so obvious. Honestly, I should have grabbed 2 contracts. I only grabbed 1, risked $950. I should have just risked, you know, a couple $1,000. I would have wound up with over, sheesh, man, almost $9,000. It was worth the risk. But I only grabbed 1 mini. Like, I really would like to see us okay, I'll put it to you this way. Let me make this a daily chart here real quick. You see, this is, well, you know, we just opened up a brand new day, right? So this is the previous day. I think this wick gets sold into, okay? If I thought it was gonna get sold into for sure overnight, or, you know, nothing's for sure, but high likelihood overnight, I would definitely be looking for a short against this high, which is 700 zone. 700 zone. I would have much preferred we would have closed down here. Then tomorrow or Monday had bounced back into 700 zone. I would have gone after that short, held it. That's what I would have done. But we didn't get that. That would have been the easy trade. We got this crazy wick, a little bit of a doji candle. We're in the face of resistance right now. But that 27,800 is just a level that really looks good. I don't know. We shall see, but more sell comes in my opinion. Every evening is freaking slow. That's why I rarely ever trade this. That's why I rarely ever trade it actively. Like I usually just set out orders like I did last night, post over in the Discord, and then go about my evening. That's usually what I do. And I don't do those orders every night. I only work them if there's like an obvious in your face trade. Yeah, and tomorrow being Friday. Wait, is tomorrow Friday? Yeah, tomorrow being Friday, and I think we got quad witching. Tomorrow, I don't know. Honestly, sheesh, man. Part of me just wants to take the day off tomorrow. If I do come in tomorrow, I don't know. I guess I'll take a look at the market in the morning, see where we're at. If we bounced overnight, then yeah, I'll step into the day and I'll look for the short. Carl, usually I'm doing either limit or I mark it in and then I limit out for the most part. If I mark it out, it's usually when I'm stopping out. Yeah, I can't remember the last time I traded one, how it went, to be honest. You should take off. Yeah, I'm gonna come in, I'm gonna look at the charts, see what we did overnight. You know, if we bounced overnight, depending what level we bounced into and how we're acting, I might look for an overnight short. Not an overnight short. I might look to short in the morning. Just kind of like fade that gap up. But if I do that, I'm probably going to minimize my risk and just trade one set of accounts, or maybe even some evals, stuff like that. It just depends. It's just gonna depend on what the market does overnight and what we look like in the morning, and what the news catalysts are as well. If like tomorrow morning this stuff escalated with crude and the war and all that, and we're gonna be bearish, well, believe me, I will be sitting here and ready to rock and roll, because better bear than bull. Yeah, I won't be. Remember, I'm a scalper during the New York session. So I'm in and out. You trade on the seconds chart? Oof. I trade on a 3-minute chart. And I plan my trades on the bigger time frames. Like you just saw me on the 4-hour and on the daily. What's going on with the futures prop firm space where a lot of persons are losing their affiliate status? I mean, I haven't lost my affiliate status. I have many years ago during COVID. That's wild. But I trade futures exactly how I trade equities. So 3-minute charts, you know, longer time frames to come up with trade ideas, stuff like that. That's because you don't bullshit the world. That's exactly why I haven't lost my affiliate status anywhere. I mean, firms have cut out affiliates that haven't been very productive. You know, that's one part. But I think the bulk of it is exactly what Rhino's saying. They're cutting out the BS artists overall on average. The Alex, what platform is this? This is Tradeovate. Oh my god, no wonder I can't lower the damn volume with my keyboard because this computer logged me out of everything. I like that music. What is that? Jazz. Happy Restless Jazz. Alright, let me see something here real quick, guys. Okay. We can do a little giveaway today. You want the 30% MAE rule. I got you, man. I'm gonna give you a video that explains it. Here it is. There you go. AM50 red. No, never had that happen. AM50, it is When Johnny Comes Marching by Amy Rowe. Jazz, Happy Restless. That's the genre. Yo, Market Mario, what's up, man? Market Maker Mario. Got it right, Jesse. Oh man. Honestly, when I look at the Globex sessions, like to actively trade, I would never trade this. How I trade in the morning, I would trade it exactly how I trade it. You know, like I would, if I can't scalp something at the open, then I would definitely just identify levels at a large time frame, like I did last night. Put out orders, put out an order to enter, put out an order with a stop loss. And you know, I personally don't do it, but you could just do a bracket order and put your take profit as well. I personally just leave it out there. And then I wake up in the morning to a surprise. It's either get in and get a fill, or you got stopped out and you lost exactly how much money you thought you would lose. Or maybe you got some money, a little bit or a lot. I woke up to a lot today. No. You are Market Maker Mario, good sir. Freaking love it. Yeah, exactly, Rhino. Like my longest trade. I mean, I've had, you know, a couple hour long trades in the mornings. Rare, but it's happened. Typically my morning trades are less than 5 minutes long, you know. There's been occasions with a nice little 30-minute trade. Nice. But overall, it's just seconds to a few minutes in the morning. My Globex trades are always hours long. Last night's trade was 10 hours long. Did you guys not see the chart? Jesse, you should make a video on that trade and how you did it and blah blah blah. I should, right? But I shan't. Anybody catch that from that reference? Come on. I shan't. You guys, do you guys not know where that's from? The Office. Come on, there's got to be Office fans in here. I won't, because people don't give a damn. I posted a video today with my profits and expenses on the year, and it is my worst performing video of probably the last year. I bet you if I would have said I made $200,000 in a day, it would have a bazillion views. I'm gonna get the chart to show it to you guys because I know you care. Why is it so blurry? Okay, well, I think you can still catch it. You can still get it. So last night I posted this chart in chat on the Discord and I told everybody, yo, what's up? This is what I'm doing. And then this is a 3-minute chart, but I had taken the level off of a larger time frame. You see here, you see this red line? That's my sell order. You see this green line? That's my stop. That's my buy order to cover the short. So I put my sell in front of this previous bounce zone. We bounced humongous. I support resistance. Who would have thought? We broke underneath that level. I expect a test of that level to more than likely show up as resistance. And I set my orders. You see here, my short. You see here, my cover. Okay, so that's it there. I'm trying to find. There we go. And there's the order already. Well, the trade already covered. You see, bought, sold, just one contract. I really should have had two, bro. You can see I still left my stop there. I almost made the mistake of leaving my stop after I exited the trade. But you see, I got short right here. Look at where my stop was. We never even got anywhere near there. As a matter of fact, I almost didn't even get a fill because look how close. Look at that. That's where my entry happened. Oh my God, I was literally still awake. This is before 11 p.m. I was still awake. I had no idea I was in this trade. Zero. And then, you know, the night came and we did a lot of stuff. I wish I would have came to my office just a few minutes. These are 3-minute candles. 1, 2, 3, 4. I would have came in here 12 minutes earlier. Would have covered for like almost an extra $1,000. But covered it right there. Bang. 220 points with 1 mini. Using what? Support and resistance. Here's the P&L on it. 10 hours, 7 minutes, 1 second. $4,422.66. And then in the afternoon, I made a couple extra bucks. 5,164 bucks. I did give back 965 bucks, but you know, overall made more money. I was playing that crazy bounce that we had in the afternoon. Car, I mean, it doesn't matter how much I risk. You got to figure out how much you're comfortable risking for yourself. Meaning a dollar amount risk that doesn't do anything to your emotions. You know what I mean? That's simply put, that dollar amount, if you're wrong, you're like, whatever. So you got to figure that out. Is it $100? Is it 200? Is it 300? You don't think you'd be able to sleep? Where are the videos? Which videos? My channel has a ton of videos. Like today's video, the one I'm saying that no one watched in general, obviously, I'm not, picking on you guys. You're hanging out here right now. You're MVPs already. There's this video, brand new video. Apex 200K gross profit plus my expenses, all of it in the name of transparency. K1ND, thank you very much. Do I have a trading course? I do, and my website is down. And Jesse, why haven't you fixed your website? Because I am the worst when it comes to freaking selling my damn courses. I swear to you, I get mad at myself sometimes because why would I not fix that and get it pushing, My website. You can't even go to my website now, bro. thedaytraderchatroom.com. Look at this crap. I gotta fix it. Don't even click on it. Just save the URL of anything. Night Ninja, what's up? You got stopped out? Well, better than losing too much. Market Maker Mario. Mario, yeah, man, I know you watched it. I replied to your comment. Thank you for always watching, brother. Oh, kindness. I see it now. I just did a new license plate. It just hasn't gotten here yet for my truck. It's fishing related. Well, not the plate. Well, yes, the art on the plate is fishing related to this guy Harvey. But then my license plate number has to do with like trading and NQ and stuff like that. I'm like, all right, when I'm driving around with this thing, whoever sees it, they'll only know it if they're one of us. I like it, kindness. The world needs more of it. All right, we got 638 here. Things are still just moving slow. Low like molasses. You guys can't... Have you guys never seen The Office? There's no way in the world. Hold on. We're going to do a poll because why not? Yo, Joey. You've seen it, kindness. It's a freaking amazing show. All right, while this market kind of figures out what it wants to do, let's have quick little fun here. Oh. All right. Pick a winner, guys. Pick a winner. I'm going to go with number 3. Hey, why can't I make it start? Oh my God, did I mess this all up? Oh, this changes everything. I'm going with number 2. You have a time now to change it if you want. I'm going with number 2. I've only lost one of these since we started doing them. Wait, why isn't that showing me the freaking... It's not showing me the thing to start. Oh, it's up here. My bad. Frick. User error. All right. Let's go. Damn it, number 2. What are you doing back there, bro? He heard me. He heard me. Oh my God, I got better accuracy at this than I do at trading. It's comical. Oh crap, man. Bro. Oh my God, bro. Okay. All right, guys, it's nice and slow. Any trading related questions, guys, take advantage. Let's do it now. I'll be heading out in a few minutes, and we got to do one giveaway as well. So we're going to start getting that one ready. We're going to do a 50K Take Profit Trader giveaway. Joey, if I start doing that, then I'll start losing.
University of Phoenix is built for real life. At some schools, to save money, you have to move fast and load up on courses.
Whoopsie. Yep, I was muted. Market Maker Mario, man, congrats. That's awesome. You passed an eval that you won here. That is just awesome. I love to hear it. Guys, all All right, time for a giveaway. If you're ready for the giveaway, put the number 1 in chat right now. I don't think I've seen that NPC. All right. All right. So everybody's attention is there. Time for the giveaway. All right. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to post a link in chat. You're going to go over there and you're going to leave a comment. Okay. And in 5 minutes from now, so at 6:50 p.m., we will do the giveaway. There you go. Go hit it up. Oh, you know what? While we do that, let me post the current specials going on. I always forget to do those. Blaze, what's up? Good to see you. There's Apex. 85%, up to 85% off. Take Profit Trader with their 40. Lucid, right now, if you're new to them, you get 50% off with my code. If you aren't new, then the current promo is if you buy 3 of their pro accounts, you get a free reset. So that's always nice. MyFundedFutures has an awesome one going on with their rapid plan. I actually traded a rapid plan today. I made $1,500 on it, so I'm halfway done with that one. The rapid plan, $97 with my code all caps JESSCW. And Buellanox with 89% off. Those are the best deals going on right now. Oh, let me see. Tradeify. What do we got going on at Tradeify? 30% off on all accounts. Well, damn. The hell am I now? That's funny as crap. All right, let me see here. Buellanox 89. Ratify 30% off. All right. We got 3 minutes left, and then we will do the giveaway. Also, 65% of you guys had seen The Office, man. What I'm saying. Throwing out those references, and I was like, damn, does nobody pick up on those references? Oh, you've only seen clips? All right. 2 more minutes, and then we got the giveaway, guys. Oh, man, we still have real TVs in the house. We just use streaming stuff, though. Part of me wanted to get short there, man, and I didn't. All right, one more minute. Guys, remember to smash that like button. It really helps out tremendously. Yeah, Joey, for real. The stapler and the jello, dude. What? That's a classic. All right, time for the giveaway, guys. All right, so let's get over here. Here we go. Get YouTube comments. Click that start button. PB Kirby. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Are you here? Gotta be here to claim. Oh, I can't even tag him. I don't. I usually stream. I don't stream much. I upload videos twice a week, but I do stream. I was streaming just once a week. Right now, I've been streaming about 3 times a week. Wednesday mornings, and then Sunday evenings and Thursday evenings. All right, PB Kirby, send me an email right now and then come back to chat. Let me know the subject line of that email so I can confirm with you. I'm going to need your Take Profit Trader email address. So the email you use with Take Profit Trader, send that email in the body of the email that you're going to send me. Because I need to send that to them so they can credit your account accordingly. You're liking the night streams? You know what? I kind of am too. Let me see if we can get a little scalpy here. A little small scalp. I don't need much. Of course, we're not going to get the fill. Whack. Support and resistance. Kirby, did you send me that email? Miss K91. Wait. Miss K911. Okay, got it. But I see it. But damn, I wish it was like 2 9s. Fun fact, guys. Wait, but first I'm going to ask. Are you really K9? Like, at least K9? Before I go into my fun fact. I need to make sure it makes sense. Oh, okay. And as you were, we will not go into that story today. Nice. Okay, okay, I got it. But you can see how you know what, we might, maybe we get the little pop here. I don't have the patience for this sometimes. That's why I like to just set those orders in those big ranges and walk away. It's not like in the morning. See, in the morning I would have gotten filled and scalped that. All right, 6:56 p.m. You already got the levels that I'm looking at for the next opportunity for a short. I think it would be a similar short to last night's. You know, where I would be looking to possibly get 100 to 200 points on. I don't know that that triggers tonight. This might, that idea might be further out, like Monday. So that's what I'm looking at. I think this market goes lower. Not necessarily tomorrow. It doesn't have to be, although it could. Tomorrow could be a little red day before we actually break today's low. I would prefer that, like a small little day tomorrow, small little range, nothing huge. And then next week, Monday, we break the low and start to go low, you know, lower. You know what? Let me draw out what I would like to see happen. Like, whoops. I'd like to see that happen. That I would love nothing more than to bear flag in that area and then break lower. I would love nothing more. I don't know. It just came on. I didn't set this playlist this time. I didn't set this playlist. Pretty relaxing though. I ain't gonna lie. You sent the email? Okay. What's the subject line? I want to make sure it's you. Got it. Okay, perfect. So I got your email. We're good to go on that. I'm going to send your email address right now to Take Profit Trader. They'll get to it probably tomorrow or Monday, and they'll get you squared away with your 50K account. Okay? Good luck. Hope you pass it. You know what? I'm going to do it right now. 50K eval winner. And sent. All right, guys. New video will drop on Monday. I plan to stream. Okay. Tomorrow's Friday. See, my long would have worked. Hate this slowish. If this would have been New York, like if it would have been the morning, I would have nailed this. But whatever. Made burger money at least on this one to add to the day, which was an amazing day. Sunday, more than likely, unless something happens, 6 p.m. Globex stream. I think we'll probably have a little bit more action then. Sunday. Monday, video drops. Wednesday, morning live stream. Thursday, video drops. I don't know whether or not I'll do a Thursday Globex stream. I might play around with a Tuesday Globex stream. I don't know yet. We'll see. I'm playing around with these Globex streams. We'll see what we do with them. All right. I will see you all Sunday. Peace.